album homo dia to talk your makaka. Then I see movie near there. Me step and look at her. I do back a cry to maintaining we love. Why?
You don't make a pass of woods in the other.
Now we are tia. Maintaining women in the beef, my mess and no hundreds. Why? As you say, no one am sending. Ah, we could be 100 city. Me a student too. Unisa.
How do you a student? Me a student. We don't dream them before me no. Yeah, man, cause I say I dream.
Come on, you say now, Jones, and you say keka, a show of a cracky a show of flume kekena. I tell 9 months pen will be delivered. No, answer, oh, Jones. I'm a student too. Pressure damage to Monsieur de claim Dimitri. Ah, no, you know, Monsieur de Uncle. Who you need now?
Now, I'm going to talk my head.
Ah,
or buy me made.
Or by here.
May one you are made.
That's all one of you. Now, on Mount dear, on my dear chum. Hey, what is the mechanism? So, by Yamina Venipa, Nipa and Timmy Venipa. What is the mechanism? Tikuma to him. I'm hearing your man. Oh, they say Bibia will be a drone now. Cannot. I shouldn't say anything. Bibia will come. Bibia will be any money. I mean, saying anything about this and this guy. Come to you. Huh?
You know what? I want 700 years.
Me a student too. And I want to me a day.
I think it's music and many.
I
don't know my essay. And you want
to say, and you know my way about. Mina mama will not time out now when you done and I know Tatan the one.
When you don't know the other.
I know, sir. I know, sir.
I mean, welcome to them.
Whatever this kind of person. What? Huh? But see, they say now, so I can't down man, so I better have see the. Huh?
See, maybe I'm going to say how to send me.
It is it. Can me the more about to scan a go across one.
I'm better drew.
And then you drew me the matter.
And I drew it and I wait.
Let's say this guy can Debbie. Uchapana when you mobile. Usa. Now, one and when you mobile. Pressure be anyone to chess after me.
Oh,
that's a man named Muntino. Obeying in our debugum. Made a mini capro. Come here, me mini capro. When you send me a student, me down, be Madame Alfo, to my off once and near me Sunday. And to my off, who is there? So, open, be nice, baby, our chief in a man as a baby crumb. On the matern, oh, chief, if you run a man as a baby crumb.
Maybe being crumb, no, they may play.
What a mess and Yama. Why? Mess and Yama, come to you. Why? And I may go back to school. Why? All right, show to you. Why? Who have been so often? Why? All right. Inquire my name. Many young boy am animal. I am mobile higher drink, some top pressure. My small boy, me baby, so pressure damage.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwa, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your mayor. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
I was coming to you.
Me? Oh, okay.
I wish you talked about that. I want to talk to you best friend. But she said she wanted to sit down and then think about what I told her, because I had advised her a lot. I told her to come back to you because you're a good person, and then moreover, I got her the perfumes and then the flowers and then the gifts in your name. Aroma. Aroma. Aroma.
Hey.
You're hurting me, stop!
I'm hurting you. See ya. Ain't you here? What time am I, sir? So, boy. See ya. What time am I, sir?
Aroma.
Do you hate me that much? See ya. Wait, do you hate me that much? Huh?
You told me to go and do something.
And what do you do?
I want to do exactly what you told me to do.
Now she doesn't even want to talk to me again. You went out there and painted me black to her. See ya. Wait, what do you want from me?
You know what do I want from you? You are fine in complexion, but you are dark in inside. Oh, na some nyanka obi am no watching penada be catch him say ka catch pressure say you are sorry and they want it back. Now ka say me kwa kana.
Oh really? Listen to me, Meba. I don't care say wakwa paint me black, but the thing is I don't know one moment who said na me ka say you can't do it. Huh?
Then what I had to do?
You did what you have.
You want to me show me here one ka kan wa do. Let today be the first and last time I do say come let's all be them you.
Me listen, don't go. Wait. Unless I like that. Hey, stand there. Wait. Some me dey me side me saka wa me dey.
Saka me abeda man you marry.
Me dem money marry. Now what no, in free shots. Listen. Can be
me say. Hold on, you are hurting me. When
I'm hurting you.
Wait, I'm not running.
Say it again. And on can you it's time. Yeah, no, man, come here. Me put that in the no problem. Let's go. Oh dear, sign my who kwasa won need na obiem. Listen, so won timi nya ade na ense no. Huh? Mami who kwasa won can and din komo baby. Oh, you will love me. I'm telling you. Useless girl. You think I'll come back to you? You? What? You think I'll come back to you?
I don't like you.
Walk right.
I know what I'm waiting for. Come back, I'm stuck. Why are you coming? Where are you coming from?
That's when I was on our right when I was a group down there.
I want to know where you're coming from. That's so simple. I have that right to know. So just answer the question. Library. What's that matter? The last time this pregnant lady came here and I asked you whether you knew her or not, you told me you don't know her, you got pissed and entered. I just saw you giving her something. Who is the lady to you?
It's a real journalist and I reporter.
Oh, Opoku, answer the question. Who is the lady to you?
Who now would you report now?
I'm in a major.
You saw me?
Yes.
With the pregnant lady.
Uh-huh.
Will come and will be some of them. You also prescribe ideas today. Today, I'm going to be using the man now.
The thing you were holding was Sika. It was go. Sika and a good in a can you and a good in
one city.
And I want gather.
I don't know how to talk. I don't know about some questions.
Why are you lying? Who is the lady to you?
She is nobody to me. Baby.
So the last time, who did she come and look for? And I was answering serious.
The last time I who be out. The first time I met him.
You can't lie.
Oh, and yes, sir.
You've been acting so suspicious these days, like something is worrying you. And I want you to confide in me, but you're not allowing yourself.
She knew. Bye. I need to know Jam.
Yes. You're the one I'm waiting for.
Oh, I can find. It will be me. Tell me, you meet me. You meet me in Panade. Huh?
Opoku, what?
Oh, fast and free.
If there's nothing going on, I don't know if we. How can consent here? We are seeing your way. Opoku.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be.
Yo, you, Opoku. Opoku. You are my senior, and because of that, I'm cool for you. But Opoku, if you come to my side with this your nonsense, Opoku, hey, walai, Opoku, walai, the one who beat you, eh?
Are you talking to me?
Who else am I talking to? Who is Opoku in front of me? Huh?
Come out and refini pa.
Opoku, no, listen. What did you do with Bretta and Benis, no?
What did I do with them? Are they my own mother?
Opoku, you just don't bring that your nonsense to my area.
I couldn't tell you junior and I'm senior.
That is why I'm calm for you. That's why I've gone down. Like by this time I should have given you like 8 or 16 slaps. What do you take me for?
What papa?
Yo, listen. Let this be your first and last that you go to Benis to go and make any inquiries about me.
But na me bisa me share me bisa ka dem.
No, Opoku, it's not your business, is it?
Oh, best never inside me bisa wo se de be.
It isn't your business. So why should I tell you what I'm going through?
No. Na me ama yusu me kupe ni me dupe na me bisa gen se mo fimpana.
Yo, Opoku, don't bring that thing to my side. Opoku, don't bring that to me and you. We are not like that.
Me the back side I will be there.
Opoku, I'll beat you. I'll beat you.
Come on. Hey, become betia me huda. Come on. Become betia me huda.
This time they didn't turn.
Sa scratches na wo no. Sa scratches na wo kasem no. Me do nya hopo kama bua mani na ayira.
Yo, Opoku, I'm not calm like that.
Kama.
I'm not calm like that, Opoku.
No,
when I came to campus, I was just studying the serene. Yeah, I just wanted to know how the campus was. You understand? So that I can move comfortably. But Opoku, if you play with me,
no, be able to school, mo be a scratches one kasem.
Opoku,
obi ono kasa ko commercial break.
Opoku,
bro, come bill, bro, come bill.
Yo, this no be long talk. This is not long talk. Opoku, listen to me, yo. Do you think I'm playing with you?
Hey.
Yo, if you play with me like that again, you will not like me. You are my senior, and this place nobody will see anything. If you play with me, they want to beat you here.
Say BMCC abobome.
Yemiem.
Come on. Me who me say na me wikido. Ela me ntokwa nya yen santokwa. Ba me na bia madose. Me wo. Me wo. Ba me more.
Opoku.
Hey,
I'm not here to have this kind of back and forth with you. The next time it comes like this, Opoku, I'm beating you. The next time it gets to me and you like this.
And I come maybe no share me. 1-on-1 see. Na bona wo pese obome na ma wa bome.
Okay, Opoku, okay. If that's how you okay. Let it happen again. Let it happen again. You will see.
Come buama. Wo. Na wo ye bema. Kwasi ya bema wakasa izo hu sane wansa na wakasa. Wo. Come bua sa bubiem. John boy like you. Asa ujina na asa wo kasa ha oni ntira mpese kasa. Na no antonza. John boy. Mabuso asem na uso ni page mabuso asem na wantima anya no. Na me ma isu ma adua ko bisa gena ya no a. Wo betima mani maka chem say me ya o babu mo kama. Wo kama. Say kama is a bitch. And anything goes around comes around. Kama buwa twa ho. Wo. Wo da za wo ye nchene kura nko yirem. Saman kitin.
I'm begging you. Hey, why are you doing this to me? Why? Initially, I thought you were joking. I thought you would surely come back to me. But things are getting out of hand, Canning. How do I survive without you, Canning? Huh? Hey, listen. I don't know what I did, but please forgive me. I'm sorry, Canning.
Aroma, we've already spoken about this. I don't know why you are still approaching me. And we've already spoken about this, and I've told you it's not your fault. It's for me. I want to just end things and focus on myself. It's not about you. Why are you making it about yourself?
You don't care about my feelings.
Oh,
Canning.
Aroma.
You do not care about my feelings. You are thinking about yourself alone, Canning. It's not supposed to be like this. Baby.
Don't baby me, Aroma. Don't baby me. Don't do that.
Alright, Mama. Angel, please. I'm begging you, Canning. Do you want me to kneel down?
Aroma, don't be dramatic. I've told you, no matter what you do, I'm still standing there. This is my stance. Like, this is where I stand. So, no matter what you do, I'm still going to say what I'll say.
Listen,
please don't be following me. Don't be waiting for me at corners.
Canning.
I don't like
Canning.
that. I've already told you.
Please.
I'm not interested. Right now, I want to focus on myself and then earn some respect again. I've lost every respect.
Are you trying to tell me that
have.
I am the one causing that disrespect?
You're not the one, but it's also adding up. And I don't want to be in any form of relationship from now on. I want to just be your friend. I don't want us to fight.
I do not want you as a friend, Canning. Oh, come on. Hey, I'm sorry for shouting. I'm sorry, Canning. Listen, what do I do now? I can't eat. I can't learn. In fact, I can't sleep. Canning, you want me to fail? You are sweating. And I'm also sweating.
Aroma, I'm going.
Canning.
I don't know why you want to be dramatic. And this is something which is very simple. I just want to be by myself and think about myself and earn some respect. You can just think about yourself.
I can't think about myself. That's what I'm telling you.
You can't be shouting on me. Oh, Aroma, leave me.
Please, Canning, please.
Aroma, why?
Please. You want me to die?
Embarrassing yourself.
Yes, for you. Let me. I won't embarrass myself.
Leave me. Why are you shaking? Leave me.
Canning, I have to shake.
You are hurting me. See?
Listen, people are talking about us.
Oh.
Listen, they are laughing at me.
Aroma.
Come here. I'll buy you iron. I can see you don't have one.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the party they come.
Okay. Ah? Okay, me besides him. Okay, baby. Just what you want to ask me that, me boy. Oh, me say life now the best who want to say pee na cobra, me boy. Pee cobra in and out. She say life now to one ankasa when you want you so bebo brave ama ho me boy.
Now what's the baby? What am I best going to watch me the minute?
Eh, me na ankasa me ho sa na.
Now, oh, me tina fa ko me what my best.
Me me wa bendi wa be to school no Togo. Why? Relax. Yam to boy say ma why? They say na you say wo ni me ye pe. Me boy, wo mate asem bi. Yes wo ni say change for. Ampa na say no kure.
I don't miss change for we do again.
Who say?
Me ni say change for no ma. E di wadu ana ye bibi ma.
Me na akasa asem na che me.
Na am ni di nkomo.
Ah, na what the roof so na me wo ana.
Na me no wo ho na e wo ya de na say nya me nkanjo.
Hwe. See ya wo. Who become story at me or me side. When you wrong now, we me na who catch him so we say chase wa me fa me obey.
Me anyhow. So when you long na me ha na wabegina na me yedede.
Sa for the own yes be ma to wa piska ampa. Me twa me ho aba sisi ana sa na wo ye.
Some so be twa me ho aba.
Ntu so twa nya be tua ka to wo twa ho aba. Me nyam wo ya me de sabe ke kan wo.
Odo sabe kame.
We mistake am sabe ke kan rough of what.
Catch him so di agro.
Mess sawo ni mess sawo shebre. What dey mistake?
Sure ka se me na si ana na. La me ya si ana wo hia no. Eni me di sa agro.
Na so wo chem se wo ani atme bo a.
Say odo sabe ke kame. Kasa
ye
me hu dem.
Me kwa ko pesika. Why? Say anu nti na wo ye dia me kwa ko pesika mo.
Pesika na fa.
Why who say na di mpanifu achi che say wonya panyin me boa.
Se me panyin yire. Wa watuma hu se me di panyin achi dia. So hu se me.
O so kan sa se mo ebi.
Kasa ntwe me.
Se panyin yire. Eda wutrim se panyin yire. Na panyin na eda ntrim se na yire no. Mate. Why? Tina ho ne go life we sa. E be boa.
20 na achi.
Enu nti na me chi wugina ho.
And then
Gina ho bio. And this akomoni bio. Why?
Ti ma so kwa sama aka na.
Otu a won from say abe. Oi. Hey. Catch me say me Sanchez. Only Sanchez why for me ho bay. Wo ka sa asem na kire me. Ore bia si wa ate. Ade ya shime. Me ana o se mkupiska. Mimi se hu se mete wona mayese ya iska ho adwen na medwen. Me kwada na jo a iska ho adwen na medwen. Me sori anopa iska ho adwen na medwen. Because me pese me nya sika a yentimi nkan e bi tse gare, sugar, enchene, sika daima, sika tam, sika bam, sika pubuo, sa sika ni bi na me hia. Entimi right now nya ma adwen kura na me hia o. Baby, grab me foul. I didn't cross I am stybie.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I jam me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me
do I know you from somewhere? You've not seen me before. Oh yeah, you've been to my school before. Do you by chance know Opoku? You know Opoku? Okay, you came to my school one time and then he was entering and then I asked him whether he knew. He said no. So you know him. How do you know him?
No, because I'm a question.
Oh, it's not anything. No, Opoku and I, we are like best friends. And then I just want to know. I want to know how you know him. Oh, he also told me that whenever I meet you, I should ask you. Please, oh, just listen to me. I just want to. It's not anything serious. Osi mi shawa ani me. Ya tutia wa mi say. Come on, sana pamia me ho. I didn't even go and chase it. I've just met her by chance. And people too are rude. I'm just asking her some questions.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I jam me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the
Ama. Hey, you've surprised me. Oh. Hey. Mama, I thought we had an agreement. Huh?
Agreement where?
I thought we were going to keep things on the low.
But me can't show Bia. So
Ama,
what are you talking about?
do you think I'm a child? Huh? Huh? You're going about spreading us.
How?
Don't you know that if people come to find out that we are together, they might think that we oh.
So who told you say my catching me say me no like
Bernice told me that she came to you to confront you and you couldn't keep your mouth.
Andy, no, listen, like it's not my fault. I was learning. Oba hey, so. Oh, no, one day I am my fault. Oba the real no make kasano, na me mpe. Oh, the best thing I know was me and say, I was a make truth in action, say be you be chasu. So I don't know the reason why you are angry.
No. What's lucky? This time around you didn't do well, Ama.
So, I think coming to now, man.
You should have been smart, Ama. You are smarter than this, Ama. Oh. So now Bernice knows about it. Who else?
Only Bernice.
Are you sure?
Only Bernice.
You know that sometimes Bernice give me stuffs and I bring them to you. You know this. So now that you are spoiling that place, now that you are spoiling there, what do you want me to do for you now?
So I will go and apologize to her and then tell her.
Sometimes you are dumb like your brother.
Her. That's what I'm sorry. Oh, Andy, Andy.
Oh, don't do that.
I'm saying I'm sorry. You.
See. The damage is already done. But listen, go to Bernice. Huh? Go to her and tell her that all that you were saying was out of anger. If you do that, then we can keep this thing a secret much longer. It's better that way, Ama. It's better that way. Oh, you know the benefits we reap from these. You know.
So you want me to apologize to Bernice?
Not from your heart, though. But just go to her and then let her feel like you are remorseful of what you said. It was just anger. You just couldn't control yourself and then you said all that you said, okay? Ama, listen to me. Oh!
I chop him. Hey.
Ama, you are being stubborn. That is the place that I get the stuff from when I want to dash you. Ama.
And the money.
The money, the stuffs, everything that we use to cater for the kid.
Okay, then
So yeah, go to Bernice. Tell her that all that you said was because she couldn't control her temper, and then you couldn't control your temper either. Okay. And then, I mean, it burst out, and then you said all that you said. Okay.
Okay, I'll do it.
Good.
I'm doing it because of the provisions and the money.
Ama.
But
at least do it because of me. You're doing it because of the provisions. So if the provisions are no more, Ama, you and I are...
No. I'm sorry.
Do that for me. Okay.
So should I do it right now?
I mean, if you're not doing anything, it's best you just go to her right now. Go and talk to her. Ama, let's get this thing settled once and for all. If people get to realize that we have a thing, it might lead to... You know what we are trying to keep a secret, Ama.
Okay, Mati.
Oh.
I'll do it.
Do that, okay.
Opoku. Sabaya kokoyo musku wase blonia se ofiri bi ono na memory.
Oni bi na me school.
Have cars ni abaya bi o musku.
Oye poko. Seer na.
Ni di.
Oye tietia.
Wo nchida nye tietia.
Le poko de. Asanto ana. Ase nani dindin bi ase osetiwa.
Me abaya bi.
Ne kokko de wan. Na funa ohuru.
Osun ni moduru.
Ase na no ye kokko. Ase na funa se banku ase obi a wadi banku. Me pese me hu nipa na specify.
Ni moduru nze e da na funa beso.
Ase na no ye kokko sa ase.
Ko pa.
O na tia so obetu. Precious.
Mini.
Opasem precious
because now no shia me to manu busebusa msa de me no ndende na wo yentem
wana busa za precious no ana ka tene zai
me tema no me ka ma adwen chire na me twika no so
wa ya de pa wa chire se ampa me ba na hye oyem wa chire se kupe no dupe na bi wo side wa ya de se watete ama no ada na me precious de pa na precious so pa free me kofi pokuo I did a precious perfume. What that time was kumosa.
That I said.
Mimi, said you.
When we just show some papa by
Ah.
Nobody only baby a dear who busa on some side.
And your bag bones are crying in my lie.
Opoku.
Or bag bones, egg bones are no in my lie. What one it ya?
Opoku should be
it will so be a man, cousin.
Me the man cashier, no, besides, and fun, not the Michifan is so coy.
Next time Oceana be big crowd for one. Next time to Oceana approach you no business have a question. For one enko baby a for one.
Opoku so akopena account.
There we are paying for u prana hwinsi because we are paying for.
Ndi wechi na mengode.
Nya ne sa but adentina na mo baby na nipa busuefo bi ba busa questions. Huh?
We no many blows so a. No ma paper no e be dentina obe hye me busa msansem no.
Na mishia na mini oba bi ewo
asa mini bi nti obi
ti mi dem ko pepe mai de tag no konkonsen kuri bi so ade award school
waye koza
waye di konkonsa ami ama na Ballon d'Or konkonsen rare konkonsen ya sage na wadi konkonsa ade award waje Ballon d'Or this year on eje emfi no ordinance mba so school wona akra no me nya nkensi hobiem sa around school mo na ma ho e ma sa side okra
ende yifrim ba
Now bounce so na man for busa questions.
And I say me flow no one fa me ba. Ah.
I don't know one about Teresa.
I would tell them when you be na so busa me no man ka hwe anche.
I want the wire idea. I want the wire. Now I should say no. Pressure kokona na funo.
Kokko me so ye gon pa.
Asa na me
ko. Dem school obroni bi sa ho biem sa.
Em no fun do mo do so say man no me kokko no mo do. Ba so no na you, aso no na ya you free.
Wo ye white.
White. White the yellow white ana. Because give you so how no ya white.
Yellow white asem na me kan. Wo ye kokko se broni. White dey beto mo.
Na ya broni ana. Precious. Precious. Unya kasa na funa huru na na hu say precious.
Me dey obusa na why?
Enfino, why? Now today we okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Mm.
Okay.